Hello students, good morning to everyone. So we were reading a very interesting story, The Modern Millennium, written by late Victorian writer Oscar Wilde. And in the last video we have read that both the friend Ellen Travel and Hughie Skin met at the Pallet Club and talking about that old man, old beggar. And then Alan Trevor tells Hughie that he gave all information about him to that beggar, and the old man, the poor beggar, was really interested in that Hughie skin because of the donation which he had gave to him. So now we read further. When Alan Taylor told to that Hughie that he told everything about Hughie Skin and Laura Merton and all his life and his prospects to that old beggar. Hughie got shocked that what's going on, you should not tell him everything about me. So now, my dear boy, said Trevor, smiling. That old beggar, as you called him, is one of the richest men in Europe. Here is the answer of all questions of Hughie, that the person which you saw in my studio was in reality a very rich person. The old beggar, as you saw him and as you are calling him a beggar in a miserable condition, in reality, in fact, he is the richest man of the Europe. He could buy all London tomorrow without overdrawing his account. Means without withdrawing money from his account, he can buy all London when he want. He has a house in every capital and bins of gold plate. Means his life is so luxurious that he takes his dinner in gold plates and can prevent Russia to going to war when he chooses, and he has also the power to stop the Russia to participate in World War. What on earth do you mean? Exclaimed Hughie. And when the reality came out, Hughie was more shocked, and his word was, "What are you saying? What do you mean by these words?" Hughie just exclaimed. "What I say," said Trevor. Trevor saying that, "I'm telling you the reality, the real things which you are not looking, which you are not trying to understand. I am telling you the reality that old beggar was not a real beggar, and he is the richest person of the Europe." "What?" I said, Trevor. "The old man you saw today in the studio was Baron Hansberg, and his name was Baron Hansberg. He is a great friend of mine. He is very close friend of mine, and buy all my pictures, and always likes my picture and buy all my pictures, and the short of things gave me a commission ago to paint him as a beggar. And the real matter is that a month earlier he gave me some advance money to paint him as a beggar." Qui was wise, laugh and the subdued millionaire. Now, how pity his heart is. Means he is real millionaire. He is not only millionaire by wealth, he is millionaire of heart also. So, and I must say he made a magnificent figure in his race, and in that clothes, I draw his pictures very carefully, and in that tear clothes which we are calling rigs, or perhaps I should say in my rigs, that they are old suit I got in Spain. And though now the real factor is that the old clothes and you saw him was actually mine, not his, and I just gave him to wear that so that I can draw the real image of that beggar. So In this para, reality comes out, and Hughie is just got shocked that I thought him as a beggar, and I donate some money to the model millionaire. It's just irony that Hughie donates some money to the richest person of the Europe, and now Hughie feeling ashamed that what I have did. I should not do that because that old beggar was not a real beggar. He was a millionaire and just get a dress of beggar to bring the real feeling of a beggar, real emotion on his face. So this is our video. Thank you for watching, and read the whole story so that you can understand the real things what the writer wants to convey. Okay.